Hello from Taj Tires. I've got a Lexus is200 here on a 2004-2005. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing exactly. Basically doing the side light bulb on that side and the brake light bulb on that side. They're not working, but to do it, it's quite a simple procedure, but we're going to check it. Can you switch the ignition on, please? Side lights on. As you can see, this one here is working and that one there isn't working. Now press the brakes. As you can see, that one there is working again, but on this side it's not working. Now the bulb is required. It's an RB580. That's the bulb you need for the rear. It's a capless bulb. If I get it out, as you can see right there, that's a capless bulb. That's what you need. So I'm going to show you, all you need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver with a Phillip head as well. So I need a flathead first. I'm going to remove the clip and then remove the clip again. That's done. Make sure you don't drop any of this. Can you switch the lights off and brake off, please? And you can use a 10mm as well socket on there, but we don't need a 10mm socket at the moment. So what I'm going to do, take the screw out, take this one out as well. So I've got both of them out now. So these are the screws. Make sure you put them inside, don't lose them anywhere. All you then do is slightly wiggle this, pull it towards you, and then on the bottom there, right on the bottom here, you'll see what's holding the tail light in. So you lift it up, you take it out. So that's what was holding the tail light in place, and that little hole there, which on the back here, it's a lug that slots in there. Now to do the bulb is easy. It's the middle one here, that's what we're replacing. Like I said to you, it's a capless bulb. I checked on auto data, that's what it came up with that number. So that's the bulb we need to replace. There's only one way these bulbs would go, so you don't have to worry about anything. So if I slot that back in, that's all in there, and then screw it in. Just before I put it back together, I'm just going to make sure it's all working. Can you switch the ignition on, please? Side lights on. That's lovely. Press the brakes. That's working. As you can see, both of them are working. That's all you got to do. To put it back is simple again. You lift it up, take it out, slot it in, and that's it. Job done. Here. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. That's it. Job done. And then screw them in and put the caps back on. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else, leave us a comment below. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.